Hey chat. So this is my brand new setup. It's not really a brand new setup. It's the same setup. I just rearranged some things, but I'm still trying to figure out how I want this to be, right? So hopefully you guys are enjoying this nice little new decor. But I got rid of that second chair because obviously I wasn't getting anybody in here. I got rid of that. Until then, I'll bring the other chair back in. I might want to fix up my whole background, but trial and error for a whole lot of things. We're currently on episode 5. How have I made it to 5 episodes so far? I feel like my engagement with my podcast videos have been great. Most of them are about hitting 800 to 1,000 views. I'm more so concerned about the views and the engagement versus the likes. But I've been getting wonderful feedback. You guys comment all the time and tell me how you guys enjoy watching my podcast. So I am happy. As far as an update, I think I told you guys I wanted to start meal prepping so I don't have to start eating out. And yeah, I only got to week 2 with that. I've been eating out. I've been having a grand time. Definitely enjoying my summer. But I've just been in this mood of where I just feel like I'm lazy. I feel like whenever I get into this mood of me not being motivated, I feel lazy. I just feel like I'm wasting time on things that I could be working on. And I tell you guys this all the time, just the fact that I'm on episode 5, like, baby, we should be on episode 10, okay? But we'll get there. This is just a personal problem, right? But yeah, I'll get back into meal prepping, and I'll also get back into lifting my weights and get back into feeling motivated. And once I get into that mode, I will be working out. I will be getting back into cooking. But like I said, baby steps. Sometimes you have to go backwards in order to go forwards, and that's kind of my situation right now. But I've also just kind of been enjoying my summer and just having fun, right? And since it is summer, my priority is for me to have fun. And I feel like I have actually been having fun. I've been hanging out with great people. I'm excited to hang out with new people. I'm excited for new tasks, new things, new topics, all of that. If you guys have been following along, you will see that I just came back from Miami. That trip was kind of already planned. I already told myself that's what I wanted to do this summer, and I most definitely did it. So for me, I don't really have to club in order to have a good